Now in this question, we need to find the value of x in the following expression. And the expression is 4 to the power of ln of x is equal to 3 times 5 to the power of ln of x. So now here, because we have x as a power or ln of x as a power, we need to get that down. So we don't want it as a power. And in order to do that, we can use logarithm. And for this video, I'm going to basically use the natural logarithm. So what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to apply the natural logarithm on both sides of this equation. So on my left side of the equation, I'm going to have ln 4 to the power of ln of x. And on my right side, I'm going to have ln of 3 times 5 to the power of ln of x. Now here, I'm going to simplify, or I'm going to expand, so to say, these two sides of the equations, logarithmic rules. I'm going to have ln here as a power is going to be a factor multiplied with my ln of 4. What that means is I'm going to have ln of x, that was my power here, is going to be multiplied with my ln of 4. And that's why I used the logarithm in the first place, because I don't want this ln of x to be as a power. And now on my right side of the equation, I have two functions or two numbers multiplied with each other. What I can do is I can use another logarithmic rule saying, okay, this is basically just equal to ln of 3 plus my ln of 5 to the power of ln of x. And just what we did here on the left side of the equation, we can do also on the right side of the equation with the second term. So what we can have is plus ln of x multiplied with ln of 5. So my next step here is basically transforming or getting the like terms together. And the like terms together that I have here is basically ln of x. So I'm going to move this term right here from my right side of the equation to the left side of the equation, and I'm going to factorize. So I am going to have ln of x multiplied with ln of 4 minus ln of x multiplied by ln of 5. And that is going to give me ln of 3. And now I can factorize right here. This is my next step. And as a result of the factorization, or factorizing, whatever you want to name it, I'm going to have ln of x multiplied with ln of 4 minus ln of 5. Here, I can also use another rule of the logarithmic rules, and that is basically the subtraction rule right here. When I have a logarithm minus another logarithm, and they both have the same basis, that's important to remember. Here my base is basically e. Then I can have one logarithm with these two functions and divided by each other.
If you got any unsolved problem in the world of numbers and equations, make sure to comment it down below and we can get it solved.
So that's what I'm going to have. I'm going to have ln of x here is multiplied by just one term, ln 4 over 5. That's going to be equal to ln of 3. Now we're almost done here. I need x on one side, and I'm going to have it on my left side. So I'm going to get rid of this ln of 4 over 5 by moving it to the other side. So I am going to have ln of x is equal to ln of 3 over ln of 4 over 5. We notice here that all we have on the right side of the equation is just constants. So this has a numerical value. What I mean when I say numerical value, it just means that I can use the calculator easily to solve that. But I'll simplify it further, since in the question they need to find the value of x, not the value of ln of x. We raise both sides of the equation as a power to our function e, and in this way we will get e to the power of ln of x is equal to e to the power of this expression here, ln of 3 over ln of 4 over 5. Now simplifying that, just x is equal to this expression right here. Alright, so I'm going to have as an answer, x is equal to this expression right here, which I can just put in my calculator, and as an answer, I will get 7.0 27 something something times 10 to the power of minus 3. And that is going to be my value of x.
Don't forget to subscribe to Sam's Education channel and hit the notifications bell to receive regular updates and access to a variety of solved exercises. See you in the next video.